Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to change your Steam region or country easily. This can help you access different regional pricing, purchase availability, and more. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. First, open the Steam app on your PC. Then go to the top right corner and click on your username. From the drop-down, select Account Details. Now, scroll down until you see Update Store Country. Click on it. If you've actually moved to a new country, Steam will allow you to update your store region when you make a purchase using a payment method from that country. Another way to change your region is by adding an item to your cart, starting the checkout process, and if your payment method is from another country, Steam will prompt you to update your country. Note: you can only change your region if you're actually located in the new country and have a valid payment method from there. And that's it! You've now learned how to change your Steam country or region safely and correctly. If this helped you, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more gaming and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.